Let's have a look at this graph. Okay, I have a line that we're going to call R, and we're going to call this is that distance is on your y-axis. So this is going to be your y distance, and this is going to be your x distance. Okay, because this is a right angle triangle, I can say that r square equals x squared plus y squared. Let's swap that around. Let's say that is x squared plus y squared equals r squared, according to Pythagoras. Now, let's play a game. Let's say that r equals 1. Now, what that means is that if x squared plus y squared equal 1, that is a relation, because I can rewrite this as y equals. Okay, but is this the only place? You remember, x and y can be different values. If x is 1, well then y need to be 0. If y is 1, x needs to be 0. So x and y can have just about any values, and then we can find the value of the other one. Or let's have a look. If I say now, where else will R be 1? I can take a string. I'm going to say, right, that distance that I'm there will be 1, when it's that distance. Okay, so when I'm there, which means that everywhere there, I'm going to have a distance of r all the way around. So what shape do I get? I get a circle. And this is why this topic is all about circles. And I just showed you why is x squared plus y squared equal r squared, a circle. Because the relation between those values are always the same, and it turns out that it is the same distance away from the origin, and therefore x squared plus y squared equals r squared is the relation. It's a many-to-many relation, because for one x value there's many y values, and for one y value there's many x values. Now if I simplify this and I write this as y equals something, I can say y squared equals, subtract x squared both sides, so a squared minus x squared, and I take the square root, then y equals plus minus the square root of r squared minus x squared. If I have y equals positive r squared minus x squared, so if I have this, it's going to be a semicircle, and the semicircle is going to look like this. This is my y value, this is my x value. Y is positive, so there's my y value. Y is positive above the x-axis, so I'm going to have a semicircle looking like this, where this is r, that is r, and that is r. Right, so that's the distance around. If I have y equals minus r squared minus x squared, then it's going to be underneath the line, because that is where y is negative, and that will be r, and r. If I just have y equals plus minus, it is a full circle. Just one thing to remember is that to find the radius, you need to find r equals the square root of r squared.